Fox 13 News has been analyzing data from the state, and we've found that the trends of the pandemic have shifted away from urban areas.
Fox 13's Max Roth joins us in studio with a weekly look at how COVID-19 looks in each of our hometowns. Max.
Yeah, Kelly and Bob, Utah's in the midst of a post-Christmas and New Year's surge in cases. And that surge has shown up prominently in places that have not been focal points of the pandemic so far. We're going to look at those numbers first and then look at vaccination rates compared to other states.
The counties in dark yellow here showed improvement in the last week compared with the week before. The rest of the state saw case increases. The dark purple counties here set records on the number of new cases. Notice the two very different but prominent winter destinations, Summit and Washington counties. Over the last 2 weeks, which is how we measure the rate of people currently infected, Juab, Millard, San Pete, Summit, and Utah counties have the highest numbers. And then zoom in on the cities with the worst rates, and it's an unusual list. Worst are Delta and Fillmore combined, then Nephi and Mona, followed by Park City, Harriman, and Spanish Fork. Utah's big urban centers are far down the list. And now look at how Utah compares on getting vaccines into people's arms. These are CDC numbers. Utah is barely above average, 22nd nationwide, and about the same compared to our 6 neighbors. We're third best after Colorado and New Mexico.
And looking at those national numbers, actually the highest vaccination rates in the country are in West Virginia and South Dakota. The lowest rates are all in the deep South, with South Carolina and Arkansas at the bottom. Live in studio, Max Roth, Fox 13 News, Utah.